Now we're going to talk about PSIG to ATAs and then vice versa. We'll start first by doing PSIG to ATAs. So the equation for that is you're going to take your PSIG and you're going to add 14.7. And you're going to divide that by 14.7, and that's going to be your ATA. You're going to carry your decimal point over 2 points as well for your final answer on this equation. So let's just pick a PSIG to test. We'll say 3,000. So 3,000 plus 14.7 divided by 14.7 is equal to 3,014.7 over 14.7. Go to my calculator. And I get 205.08 ATA for my final answer. Now we'll go ahead and do the opposite of that. I'm going to just keep that same number I had here and work it in the other direction so you guys can see how it works backwards. All right, so the equation for doing the opposite of that would be to go from ATAs to PSIG. So that equation is going to be ATA minus 1 multiplied by 14.7. And that's going to give us our final answer in PSIG. So I'll take this number that I got over here, and remember, by putting this number in, we should get something about 3,000 to make sure that we did our math correctly. So we'll do that, and then we know that that's going to be 104.08 times 14.7. Go to our calculator. 4.08 times 14.7 is equal to, this equals 2,999.98 PSIG. And whenever we're doing that equation for ATAs to PSIG, we're just going to go ahead and round up to the next whole number. So this would come out to be 3,000 PSIG for our final answer.